Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a best method on how to easily get HDO Box on iPhone in 2025. Let's get into it. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, connect your iOS device to your Windows PC using a Lightning or USB-C cable. Then open iTunes and confirm that your device is recognized. Next, install Sideloadly on your PC. After installing, launch the tool and make sure your device's name and iOS version appear in the interface. Now it's time to load the HDO Box IPA file. Simply drag and drop the IPA file into Sideloadly, or use the Browse button to find and select it. Then enter your Apple ID into the Apple account field. Sideloadly will use this info to sign the app file before installing it on your device. Click the Start button to begin the installation process. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password to continue. Once installation is complete, look for the HDO Box app icon on your iOS home screen. If you get an untrusted developer error, open your device settings, go to General Settings, then Device Management. Tap on your Apple ID and select Trust. For users on iOS 16 or above, you'll also need to enable developer mode. Go into Settings, find Privacy and Security, open developer mode, toggle it on, and restart your device. And that's it.